Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to generate this dashboard interface on Claude and how you can make it editable on Figma using Figma Make. This is the dashboard UI on Figma Make. So we'll start by giving Claude a detailed prompt for the type of dashboard we want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep my prompt very summarized but quite detailed as well. So I'm going to paste it into Claude, the senior product designer and front-end engineer. Create a modern, realistic SaaS admin dashboard UI for a product called FlowTrack. Then you tell it what to include and everything, and then you let it know that you would want it as a single self-contained HTML file. So Claude was able to generate this dashboard using the prompt I gave it. This is what the UI of the dashboard looks like, and this is the HTML code for the dashboard. Once Claude generates your UI, you can either refine it, prompt it more till you're satisfied with the dashboard design. I'll go ahead and download the HTML code. Then I'll open it. Then the dashboard design opens up fully in our browser. But you need to know that it's not editable at the moment. To make it editable, we're going to come back here, switch over to this code, then copy our code. I'll come back to our Figma Make, then paste the code which I copied. It's going to look like this. Then I'll prompt Figma Make to replicate the code that I just pasted here. You can see that Figma Make is assessing and processing the code. So Figma Make was able to replicate the UI design from the HTML code that was generated by Claude. Now, if you want to make this design editable, you will need to copy it and move it into your regular Figma canvas. That's where you can properly edit it, refine it, and adjust it the way you want. At the moment, I'm using the free plan on Figma Make, so I don't have access to that feature. But once you click on copy design, you'll be able to push it into your main Figma workspace. And from there, it becomes fully editable. That's basically how you can take a UI generated design from Claude and bring it back into Figma for further design work. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have questions or any concerns at all, please do let me know in the comments